this is Max Yoshida. Right now, we are working in Philadelphia team. So today I'm just gonna show you the new technology that we got, some kind of nanotechnology. I believe that it depends on what you call it, nanograms. So what's nanograms actually? Well, let me show you. First of all, this is called the nanograms. Okay. Now nanograms, it consists of, let's say, billions of transistors connected together with each other to do some specified work. So what do we have in here? If you can notice this well, we have a, let's say, microphone, okay, and we have a speaker. So in my hand there is nothing but a microphone, speaker, and this connection which is made out of nanograms. Okay, so will you believe if I say that this is a mobile phone? Okay, so now let's just show you. I mean, how is it possible for this circuit to be a mobile phone? Actually, it's nanotechnology. There are four difficult parts in this design. First of all, we don't have a ground wire. Well, why? Because I am the ground. Look, I am grounded. I am on the ground, which means I'm grounded. So unfortunately, you cannot use this phone while you are jumping or on an isolated floor. This is a disadvantage. Okay, so now the second problem is that we don't have power. So where's the battery? Well, that's really difficult to answer. Let's say that there's no power in the system. I mean, no, it needs power to work, but there's no battery or power package. So how does it work? Actually, when we say that we are receiving data from a bridge, like a mobile phone bridge, actually the wireless signal that's coming, it is power. So that power, we use it to power up the circuit because it uses the nanograms, which has really, like, let's say, hard connections. It only needs nanoamperes or even picoamperes to work. So the power that we get from the station, it's enough. From the bridge, yeah, it's so enough to power up the circuit. So we are under the network coverage. We have power. Now the third option that we got, it's let's say we don't have a SIM card, right? Mobile phone without a SIM card. Now I will not talk about that part because we programmed a SIM card inside the grounds. I will not say how. I mean, it's difficult. Now the fourth one is how to answer. Well, double tapping means answer a call. Double tapping again means hang up a call. So the disadvantage is that we can't see a number. There is like no screen, nothing, but it will always work. So when somebody calls me, I will just like double tap and put it on my head. Of course, I cannot make calls yet. I mean, we will develop it, but until now we cannot make calls. We can just receive calls in this in this network. And there's one more thing. It's waterproof. Thank you so much.